Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to build a Squarespace photography website. First, select a visually appealing template that showcases your work beautifully. Then, choose a memorable domain name that represents your unique brand. Next, gather your finest images and begin organizing them into compelling galleries. This initial setup is crucial for creating a professional online presence and attracting potential clients to your stunning portfolio. It's a straightforward process to get started. Now, let's focus on crafting your portfolio. Upload your highest resolution images to ensure they look crisp and professional on any screen. Squarespace offers various gallery layouts, allowing you to categorize your work by genre or project. Remember to add engaging captions and descriptions to each photograph. This tells a story and provides context for your viewers. A well-organized and descriptive portfolio truly highlights your artistic vision and expertise. Next, personalize your website to reflect your unique brand identity. Squarespace provides extensive customization options for fonts, colors, and page layouts, allowing you to create a cohesive visual experience. Seamlessly integrate your professional logo and other branding elements across all pages. Don't forget to craft a compelling About Me page. It's a fantastic opportunity to share your journey and connect with visitors on a personal level, building trust and rapport. Finally, let's cover essential features and prepare for launch. Implement a clear contact form so potential clients can easily reach you for inquiries or bookings. Ensure your website is fully optimized for mobile devices. Over 50% of web traffic comes from phones. Before hitting publish, meticulously review every page for any errors or broken links. Once everything is perfect, confidently launch your stunning new photography website to the world.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.